So right now, we're fixing the pillars on this Honda. See how they look all old and they faded. All that needs to come off. Even here. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that. You can use paint or plastic dip. I'm gonna use plastic dip because we like the way it looks, you know? It looks factory matte. Anyways, you see right here. We already did some of it. As you can see here, check this out. See how it looks now once it's done? It looks factory. And it has that matte look. That's the way it will come out once it's done. This is still drying here. And the way we're gonna take this off, I'm using an 800. Put the pad on it, fold it. Put some tape right here because you don't want to scratch that. All right, now this is 2000.